Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to dye your hair with Kool-Aid.
Yes, I said Kool-Aid, you know, the little flavor packets that you put in the water, mix with the sugar, and you drink it.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to dye your hair with Kool-Aid, just in case you wanted to dye your hair with Kool-Aid. So in a moment of pure boredom and curiosity, I decided to turn on the camera and show you guys how to use Kool-Aid to dye your hair. I'm behind the camera, by the way. I'm not showing myself today because, girl, I look ratchet. But anyway, so I did a video like this years ago and it was terrible quality. So I thought, you know what? I feel like doing this tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and record it, and obviously it's a better quality. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm not sure what color this is going to turn out, but I'm assuming a red. This is Kool-Aid, obviously, and this is watermelon. So you'll need a pack of Kool-Aid, a handy dandy spoon for mixing, a bowl, and I'm going to use a black bowl because I can't remember if it dyed stuff before, so I'm going to be careful. And yeah, I'm going to use this bowl for mixing. So I'm not going to be doing that on my actual hair because I forget how long this stuff lasts in my hair, and I'm just not in the mood to make any changes to my actual hair. So I'm going to be doing this to an extension. All you need is some conditioner. So I'm going to squeeze some this conditioner in this bowl. I'm going to use a little shampoo then, because it's white, so why not? And I'm going to mix some of this Kool-Aid in there, but not the entire pack. And I'm just gonna mix it and see what color it is. I'm gonna add more, because I don't really like that color. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. By the way, kids, do not try this at home unless you get permission from your parents, because if not, they're gonna blame me. I'm going to lay this pink towel down so I don't get it on the counter or dye anything else. I'm going to lay the hair down here, and I'm going to use this brush. This is actually what I use to do my roots. So basically all I'm going to do is start painting it on the hair. If you're going to use your hands, use gloves, because I'm pretty sure this will stain your skin. So this is actually looking like a strawberry blonde. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and dip this hair in this bowl. I know that's a little crazy, but it seems like it would work a little better. I'm gonna totally saturate this like that. So I'm actually just going to leave this in this bowl here, and let's check the time. It's 11:17. I'm gonna leave it on there for a few hours so it can dye it really good, and we'll see how this turns out. I'll show you the results when it's done. So it's 12:59 now, so that's been over an hour. And I can't lie, this smelled really good at first, but it kind of smells like really gross now. So this is what it looks like right now. So I'm going to rinse it out. Just gonna rinse it with some cold water. So I'm going to go in with a little shampoo just to get the initial first layer of color kind of off so that there won't be any staining. Make sure it's all completely out. And voila. It is completely dyed now. All with a little packet of Kool-Aid. And this is temporary. Like I said, I did this before, but I really cannot remember how long it lasted. Probably a good while though, so don't do it if you're expecting to wash it out day one, because you've seen I just washed it with shampoo and it did not come out. So, but yeah, so it is possible to dye your hair with Kool-Aid, and it turns out really cute and it's super easy. So I thought you guys would like this updated instructional because my other one, my original video was horrible. Yeah, so anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and let me know what you think about this hair extension. And what color is this? I can't put my finger on it. It's not red, it's not pink. It's kind of like a coral. Pretty cute for spring though. Can't wait to put it in my hair. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I know I said in the video that I wasn't going to show myself because I look ratchet, because girl, I do. I feel ratchet anyway. I've been like super busy today. I've been doing a lot of packing, a lot of cleaning, and yeah, I'm just not feeling it. So anyways, this is what it turned out like. That is the extension I have clipped in my hair. But I think it's so cute. Still kind of wet. I tried to blow dry it a little bit, but still not sure about this color though. What color is that? Name that color down below. What color do you think this is? Because I would love to know. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching this video once again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!